This is a photo of Whitworth Colliery, which was opened in 1876 and was owned by the Tredegar Iron and Coal Company. In the middle of the photo you can see the winding wheels for two pit shafts. One of the pit shafts was for the coal miners to be lowered into the coal face, while the other was to bring the coal back up to the surface. It would then be loaded onto the train wagons, which you can see in the bottom left-hand corner. The trains would then take the coal to the nearest dock where it could be sent all over the world. The pit would close in 1959. Today the area has completely changed beyond recognition, and part of Tredegar Comprehensive School now sits on the site.